Hi guys, welcome back to my Amazin Kitchen. And if you are new here, kindly join the amazing family by subscribing. In today's video, we are going to be making my delicious coleslaw recipe. This is so delicious and so easy to make. It takes no time at all. So let's get right into it. We are going to be needing some Dijon mustard, sugar, plain vinegar, white pepper, some onion powder, black pepper, and a little bit of salt, some heavy cream, and lemon juice. I also have one big onion which I have finely chopped. We also need some shredded carrots, and we also need some mayonnaise. I'm using two types of mayonnaise, but you don't have to do that. I also have here my carrots, which I have nicely shredded by hand, but you may also use your food processor if you prefer. Now all we do is to add our onions to our cabbage and then add our shredded carrots, and we are going to mix everything together until the carrots, the cabbage and the onions are well combined, and then set it aside. We are now going to move on to our dressing, and we do that by adding the Dijon mustard to our mayonnaise and then add all our seasonings. We add our sugar and lemon juice, plain vinegar and heavy cream. And all we are going to do now is to mix everything together until very smooth and thick. You don't want any lumps in your dressing. And in case you are wondering, I have listed all the ingredients with the right measurements in the description box below for your convenience. I like my coleslaw on the tangy side, but you can feel free to customize it to your own preference. Now add your dressing to your cabbage mixture and then toss everything around until every strand of cabbage and carrots is coated with the beautiful dressing we just made. You want to take your time and do this very well. And now the most difficult part about this coleslaw. You'd have to let it refrigerate for at least 4 hours before you can serve it. So I like to make mine in the evening and refrigerate it overnight. That way I don't need to sit around waiting for 4 hours before I can dig in. I really hope that you try this easy and simple coleslaw recipe. But just remember that cooking should always be fun and exciting. So try to cook each meal with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.